Let's start today's class. Insert at end. Void insert at end. User will pass one value. Now observe the cases here. Case 1. If the linked list is empty, here it is a very tricky point. So many users will consider as the linked list already contains one node. But I am considering as the linked list is empty also. I am considering. That is the reason. First, so you are going to insert a node at the end of the linked list. First, you need to allocate memory for that new node. How to allocate memory, ma? Struct node star new underscore node. Now, new underscore node is equal to struct node star typecasting malloc of size of struct node. So this is the way we can allocate the memory for that node. So next, so whatever the value they are passing, that value we need to store in the newly allocated node. Suppose example, see this one. So the newly allocated node is this one. This is the newly allocated node. So this contains two parts. The first part we are going to store the data. And the second part we are going to store the address of the next node. Suppose example, this is the newly created node. So example, this address is 1500. Example, this address is 1500. So then the 1500 will be stored here. The name of this pointer variable is new underscore node. This is going to point this node. That's all. Now I need to store the data. So how to store the data? Ma? So here new underscore node arrow data is equal to whatever the value user is passing, place that value. So that means here suppose user is passing 25, the 25 will be placed in this location. Now immediately, what about the new underscore arrow next field? That should be the null. So new underscore node arrow next is equal to null. So that means here this one will be make it as a null. Now we have to connect. So either we have to go to the case 1 or case 2. If it is case 1, how to handle this one? Suppose if it is case 1, how to handle this one? So if it is case 1, how to handle this one? So here if head is double equal to null, that means the linked list is empty. Whatever the node you are created, that will be the node in the linked list only. So that means simply you need to change the head only. Head equal to new underscore node. That's all. So in this case, In this case, you just change this head. Now head is going to point this node in this case. So case 2, that means already the linked list contains elements. Already the linked list contains elements. So case 2, I am taking this one. In the case 2, the value here is 25. Already the next field is null, and this is only the new underscore node. Am I correct or not? This is only the new underscore node. Now, so we have to connect this one to this one. That is nothing but we need to traverse from beginning of the linked list and the pointer must be stopped at the last node. Else case ptr equal to head. So while ptr arrow next not equal to null. Why I am taking this one? Because I need to stop the pointer in the last node. That is the reason. So what I need to do, if ptr next not equal to null, so that means first ptr will go and point to the first element in the linked list. First element in the linked list. First element in the linked list. That is nothing but first node in the linked list. Now ptr arrow next not equal to null, as it is true because ptr next contains 2000. What I need to do? I need to move the pointer to the next node. That is nothing but ptr equal to ptr next. Ptr will be here now. So how to do it that one? How to do it that one? We have to change the pointer here. Ptr equal to ptr arrow next. So next, go to the next iteration. The next iteration, so ptr next to not equal to null, false. False means ptr will stop here only. We have to link this one with this one. How to link? Ptr next to this field. This field we have to store this new node address. What is the new node address? 1500. That is available in new node pointer variable. So now we have to link this one. How to link this one, ma? How to link this one? So ptr next is equal to new node. That's all. This linking will be there. Okay. So that means at the end of this loop, I need to write ptr arrow next is equal to new underscore node. That's all. New underscore node. Now the linking is there. Okay na? So we can traverse from head to the last node also. Okay. So this is the way to insert at the end of the linked list. Thank you very much.